a paint gun. We have partnered with Graco to give away their cordless TC Pro, and what I think is the best gun on the market. And all you have to do to win a free $600 cordless brand new spray gun is make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment below.
And wow, that post received so much love. I can't believe over 1,500 comments. We took the time to read them all, and we really enjoyed hearing all the different journeys. First, we narrowed it down to our top 15. We wanted to share some of the comments and stories you guys shared with us. Good luck with the basement project, Kayla. We love Chip and Joanna too. And Alexandria, thank you so much for your service. Wow, Brian, your story sounds really similar to ours. Make sure you use Aqua Coat on them cabinets. Keep begging him, Chelsea. He'll give in eventually. Keep up the hard work, Courtney. One project at a time, and it'll be worth it all in the end. Congrats on the new job, Carly. And thank you. It's been such a rewarding journey. Donna, peeling paint is the worst. Good luck with that. Wow, your first house so young. You two should be very proud of yourselves. Brooklyn, the memories you are going to make with your dad are going to be unforgettable. Show your mom that anything is possible, Brianna. A new passion for DIY just means a lot of new projects in your future. So good luck, Jackie. Early on, we doubted ourselves, but we quickly realized anything is possible. So you got this, Rebecca.
And we are so excited to send a brand new paint gun
To you, Brooklyn Cups. We're excited to see your journey.